Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I just want to say thank you for 200 subs. It's just crazy. I don't know, but I just want to say thank you so much. And today we got a little something special. So to start the video, we gotta get this tractor to John Deere. Alright. Let her warm up a little bit. Because she's been sitting out. There we go. Let's see. What we got in here? Okay, so we got. Alright, we're good. Alright, I think we're ready to get on the road. Alright, let's pull up here. Alright. Kind of nice how I bought this truck. I love this truck so much. The dual stacks. It's crazy. Alright, well, let's get this to the Deere dealership. We're speeding a little bit, but that's okay. We're just gonna let her roll. Oh, she's rolling. Yeah, just let her. Like, it's just better to save some gas if you just let it roll. I think we're good. Get off the road, dear. There's one. Oh my god. This truck sounds so good. Listen to that truck. Oh, what's that over there? What do they got out here? And I'm gonna let just do we got another strap here? Got one more strap. Alright, we need to drop this off because it keeps starting and shutting off. Oh, here we go. You see, like stalls out, so. Oh, bro. So annoying. So I need to get that fixed up. Alright. Now we can shut her off. Let me just go. Hold up. They got the new John Deere work truck, but look at that logo. You know what that logo came from? That logo's my logo for YouTube. Alright. Yep, got it. Alright, yeah, I brought it in. It's by the door. Yep, got it. Alright, thank you. Boom. Alright, now it's time for the surprise I got you guys. and I got a really big. I don't know. It's a Sunday morning. John Deere is right now closed, but my friend helped me. Just let me go here. Oh, yep, we're hit the curb. I'm going straight ahead. That's a long driveway. How am I gonna turn around? Can I just back up on the lawn? I think I'm gonna just do that. There we go. Wait, let me just put the camera down. Yeah? Oh yeah, do you mind if I just parked out on the lawn? Yeah, that's okay? Alright, thanks. It's in the shop, go take it. Alright, so I bought it, I got it on Facebook Marketplace. But it's kind of, here it is, the Havoc. It's starting to rain. But holy, this thing runs like a beast. Just open up her up. See how she starts. Look at the flames, right? Oh, okay. Oh, it jumps a bit. Look at that. What they got? Oh, whoa! He really put a lot of work onto this. They got crab steering. Yeah, crab steering. Woo! That's crazy. And then they got the other way. And then they got all-wheel steering. Alright. Oh my god. And then they got regular. Or I like to call regular, but it's really front-wheel steering. Just front-wheel steering. Alright. Let's just put the ramps down. So, it is a Sunday, and I don't know if the cops are really patrolling today, so we should have a breeze home. Alright, here, and boom, and let's put a strap right here. Alright. Alright, let's roll out. Oh, it's on there. Oh, okay, we gotta get here home quick. So we're gonna just run the. Come on, go faster. I'm gonna pass you. Oh shoot, I missed the turn, but let's go around. We gotta. I think I saw a cop out there, so here we can just go through here. Oh yeah, brake. Oh god, going a little too fast. Oh my god, I'm literally being Oh my god. I wonder what people are thinking. They're like, this guy's horrible at driving. I'm so, bro. I'm literally doing so many illegal things, bro. I just like cut a guy off. I ran a red light. What else? I was speeding. Yeah, okay. But like, we gotta get home quickly. We cannot show this thing. We should go run it. Oh my day. Alright. Slippery out. Alright. I think I know what I need to do. Shut this off real quick. We gotta go to Bionic's place real quick. Oh god, what the heck? Boom. Hello. Boom. Alright, alright, boom. Now we gotta. Oh, I didn't even click. I clicked on this. Alright, now we gotta take it through Bionic's puddle. And really test this thing out. What is this pink truck doing literally there, bro? Let's see. Oh, it's gonna destroy this puddle. Oh, this puddle is really deep. No. Alright. Let's really test what this thing can do. Alright, let's back her up. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, launch. Holy, we're going. Oh my god, we're going fast. Oh my god, let's see what this puppy can do. 112, oh my god, that's max probably. Oh, holy. Brake, oh, we're sliding. That's gonna probably ruin the tires. Sorry about that. Yeah, I heard there's a new cop out in town. His name's Roscoe. I don't know. Hopefully he doesn't find out about this. But this is pretty awesome. Let's hit it. Ooh! Oh no, we're not gonna land it. Oh god. Oh god, that's gonna put a dent on her. And it can get up, cause. Alright. Now we gotta really test her. Here we go. Oh, this is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt. And we're going in the trees. Ah! Oh, never mind. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. We just made 200 subscribers. I'm very happy. And you guys really supportive. I see your comments. So, thank you a lot. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.